My dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa akhiru da'wakum Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf with you. Today I am going to teach you regarding the life which is given by your body creator for his assistance, that is in Al Quran known as ibadatihi, worship, assistance. These are the so-called words apart from ibadat. The birth of human being, the intention is that they may have been doing assistance to their body creator. There is no any pressure, there is no any force if they wish to do. The creation of human being is this is the purpose. That is why he created Al-Jannata and Jahannama. Those who have been obedient of their body creator by following his body manual, that is Al-Quran, body operating manual, particularly married life. They will be rewarded as Al-Jannata, provided they would have been secured, if they would have been secured minimum 33% attendance. Those who have not been assisting or assisted, the reward is in the form of Jahannama. So, suppose now we start from Bismillah. Bismillah means Ya Ar-Rahmani, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. This you can speak as Ya Rahmani wherever Allah is written. और वल्लाहो एंड वर्रहमानो, वल्लाहा वर्रहमाना, वल्लाहे वर्रहमाने. If it is innallaha, then inna rahmana, innallahu inna rahmanu, innallahi inna rahmani, like that. This is the proper way to read the al-ayati of al-Quran by being a such man whom their creator wish to be like that. Okay. Ya Rahmani, Ya Rahman Rahim, or Ya Ar-Rahmani. Either he can read Ya Rahmani or he can read Ya Rahmani. But when someone is isolating or writing, then they must have to write Ya Rahmani and in bracket this. Okay, this is while writing complete. Okay, or while reading either Ya Rahmani Rahim or Ya Rahmani, both can read. Okay, this is as per Surah An-Naml, Sawal ayat number 30. इन्नहु मिन सुलेमान व इन्नहु बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. And this is as per Qulillah Audur Rahmana, as per Sultan, as per Sultan Bani Israel, Sawal ayat number 110. Okay. So okay, clear. So I am going to teach you about the life. This is the life of human. Life of human has been granted assume 100 years in general. Okay, 100 years. It has been granted 100 years. Okay. He got married at the age of 20 years for male, minimum age, and 18 years for female. This is as per Al Quran. Marriage age is this, and engagement is this is marriage age. Marriage age, okay, and this is engagement age. 18 years for male and 16 years for female. These age has been designed for engagement and marriage based on their body. Make sure his body, not make sure, because the human body takes maximum time to get complete growth of male. It takes 20 years, and maximum time of growth for female, it takes 18 years. Growth of body, that means growth of all organs of the body, from the brain to all organs. That take maximum time to complete the growth of the organs of the body. That is 20 years for males and 18 years for female. That is why these age has been designed for marriage. And for engagement age has been designed 18 years for male and 16 years for female. The difference between engagement and marriage life, it is quite different. In engagement life, the husband cannot satisfy his wife to whom he got engaged. He cannot satisfy by having the intercourse with her. Whereas he has to satisfy his wife by use of finger. Clear? Followed by the getting ejaculation from either side, either face to face or back side of the vagina, but he has to satisfy by finger. During the tenure of engagement, okay. In case of marriage life, as soon as they reach as 20 years, the man and 18 years his wife, then they can meet, they can do the intercourse. They can do intercourse and they can do pregnant like that. Provided, provided male, I mean husband, must be having, male must be having the eligibility, that is you Yuminanna, Yuminanna, and wife must be Yumina. This has to be settled or has to be secure the knowledge education by joining to Muhammad, followed by taking the appointment time before meeting. He will explain what is the eligibility for husband and what is the eligibility for wife before marriage, and she must be out of blood relation and must be virgin. This must be there. Then their marriage is as per wish of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, means they will have been doing the proper assistance. They can do the proper assistance of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim if they have been having the eligibility. Suppose they have been granted 100 years, okay, and they got married at the designated age, then they start working and life, going out, working hard, meeting with wife, like that. So life decreases actually. As soon as the couple goes towards the higher age, simultaneously their age starts decreasing. Some by because of having the not good quality of food, good quality of water, good quality of environment, as in the form of pollution. It can be a noise pollution or air pollution, unavailability of proper medicines, health centers. Then they get the decrease in the life from 100 to some 19 years, some reaches up to 19 years, 90 years, some reaches up to 80 years, some some would have reached up to 75, some 70 years, like that. This is depend upon how their working style and having the things for his body, like food or water or air. Some people involved in the bad habit like smoking or addicting to alcohol or some violated the things which has been restricted by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim not to use, like milk. This has been restricted for people who are above 20 or 25 onwards, because milk, the use of milk is that the milk gives the milk helps in growth of body organs. As soon as the body organs have been growth is over, then milk use remains as just to cover up the appetite. No any use besides to be used as what is called protein. Okay. Protein is that thing. There are two types of protein. One protein is that which is in that the wish of a Ar-Rahman is there up to a certain time. Some protein he has been restricted to use. If you use restricted protein, this can cover up your appetite, but this will give you the some, since the body organs have been have been reached on their maximum growth level. Above that, there is no further growth required for their body organs. If the person used for that, this will give the contraindication. Contraindication in the sense there means the veins of the body, their fat starts depositing. It gives in the form of high cholesterol or diabetes problem, which resulting through the effect of heart. And the effect on heart ultimately affect to the brain and goes towards the intestine and liver and kidney like that. Because the people do not believe and follow the proper instructions of their body creator which have been written in their body manual. In their body's operating manual, that is Al Quran. And Muhammad is the instructor or it is just like there's some, if you buy some electronics item like uh, LCD or laptop or desktop, then you need to the person of that company's representative who will guide you how to operate it. He will install some programs and windows and like that. So the function of Muhammad is like that. When you going to marry, you have to consult what is the minimum requirement for marriage for male and for female. Then get married, and after that they need to attend classes with the Muhammad who will guide you, who will explain you proper what is written the body manual. Every individual couple must have their own copy of Al Quran for them only. So, by that way, the people because of pollution, because of polluted food, polluted milk, polluted this groceries, polluted air and pollution, the noise polluted, water polluted. This gives the life into the rivers. So you should maintain your lifestyle with those people who are supporter of these negative things should not be there around them, which will affect the life of the people into the reverse. Okay. The calculation of attendance it is based on the meeting with the wife. If you meet alternate day minimum, so suppose you married at 25 years age, okay? 25 years and 23 years wife age. Then up to 40 years age and then up to 60 years age. Here the frequency of meeting with the spouse, it is daily or twice in 3 days like that. And after that, as soon as you go beyond 40 years, the frequency of meeting it slightly decreases like alternate day like that. Once in 2 days like that. So the calculation of attendance it must be valid attendance, positive attendance, then only you will be awarded the Al Jannata and so called heaven. Yeah, this is more you achieve the attendance, you would get the higher rank in Al Jannata. This is the procedure system. But make sure your attendance must be valid. For that, you need to attend lecture, individual, couple, or in the group with the Muhammad by taking the prior appointment like 24-hour or so. Depends upon if he is free, then he can give you 12 hours before or 6 hours before, like that. This is the proper way. If someone, in some cases, as we see in the society, the people make the suicide. if any person made suicide, that means he or she decided not to give energy to their body creator, that is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Ar-Rahmani, who is Rabbil Alameen and Maliki Yawmiddin. Okay. So, in this case, ultimately this means is this, because assistance or ibadat, in other words, ibadat in other words, assistance of their body creator, the purpose is this, to give the life to him. If someone decides that he or she want to decide, suicide, that means he already decided that, he or she decided that he cannot give the energy to their body creator, stopping the giving energy or stopping to giving the life to their body creator, यानी रहमान रहीम. And formerly is known as Brahma, like this. Okay, this and this almost same, only just to rotate 90-degree clockwise, this will look like this. Brahma actually is not a correct pronunciation. Birrahma, Birrahma, Ar-Rahman. Okay. Formally is known as this. Ye has been merged into Ar-Rahman. Om has been merged into Bismillah. Okay, this is the. So, people has to follow Al-Quran, not Quran. This is former. This is current. Our connectivity is with the current book, which is alive. This is superseded already. So he or she has decided that not to give the energy or give the life to their body creator, means he or she is started disbelieving. And when he or she decided disbelieving, means they will fall under category of Al-Kafirina. Those who have been fallen under the category of Al-Kafirina, that means they will have been dwelling into Jahannama, so-called hell, by doing a suicide. Because he has been created for doing the assistance, ibadat, and either he speak by his tongue that he is no more cannot continue your ibadat, or doing suicide is the same thing. Understand? This is the in case of the person who do the suicide. And other thing, those other thing is that those who has been those who have been killed by others or by accident or by some other reason, besides not his or her wish, then their attendance calculation is as, suppose he got married at the age of 20 years, okay? 20 years. And he died married at the age of 20 years. And he died not suicide but some other natural or by accident or by any natural calamities like storm or earthquake or flood or cloud bursting or like that, okay? Suppose he died at 40 years. Then the span is 20 years span. Their calculation will be, their attendance calculation will be 20 years of span. In this duration, their attendance must be minimum 33%. Suppose someone got married at the age of 20 and he died at the age of 60 years. Then calculation of their attendance, the span is 40 years. Their attendance calculation will be with this span, 40 years span, 33%. Someone died, married 20 years and died 30 years. So the span is of life remain 10 years. So in that 10 years span, the calculation must be 33%. Someone married 20 years and died at the age of 24 years. So during this 4 years span, their attendance must be 33%. This is the procedure of calculating the attendance for Al Jannata. In all cases, you must have to meet physically with Muhammad sallu alayhi wa sallu tasliman in order to get as-salata. As-salata, in other words, is known as sallu alayhi. In other words, it is known as हाजरू व जहादू भी सगले रहमान है या सगले रहमान है वाले अनपसंद असबरू व साबरू असबरू व साबरू व राबितु और हाजरू व जाहदू सबील रहमान है These are the different words he has been explaining. As-salata, in other words, sallu alayhi, in other words, rasul wa sahbu rabtu, in other words, ajru wa jahadu all words meaning this is same. So this must be there. So I hope you would have understood clearly. I have taught you very clearly, very precise way. So you all, everyone can understand and starts following accordingly. Okay. Okay, that's it. Today's topic is this, and so never think of doing suicide. This ultimately it reflect to you have planned to discontinue giving the life to their body creator. You plan to discontinue to giving the energy to their body creator by remaining as alive, by disobeying to perform his ibadat, or and by doing suicide. This is the same thing. In both the cases, they have not been giving life to him or not giving the energy. Same thing, okay? Difference is this, he has died and some like Iblisa, he remained alive, but he refused to continue the ibadat of his body creator. So purpose is the same, and they will have been staying in the Jahannama with the severe punishment. Those who do this thing, disobeying others. And one thing make sure, Rabbil Alameen never allowed to forcefully punish to anyone besides whatever it is written in the Al-Quran. Like someone not believing. After belief, then he discontinue the belief in Rabbil Alameen. There is no punishment for that person, whether he or she. The purpose of making the heaven and hell, Al Jannata and Jahannama, is that who does not believe and follow, hell for them. Who follow, heaven is for them. No other punishment has been designed to punish them. Oh, he murtad, he has become the murtad. उसकी सजा सरतन से जुदा. This is not at all Rabbil Alameen has been mentioning in anywhere in the Al-Quran. This is made by the self-styled religion which is nothing related to the Islam, like उसकी सजा सत्तन से. No, this is not at all. No, in no case. Only some cases the punishment is there, like like if some married women have been involved in the having sexual affair with other than her husband, but there are three way. I mean, first one is as husband and wife meets this. If they meet like this, then it is talaka is implements soon after. Some other violation, sexual violation. There are sexual violations by which the punishment is there, but no beating, no manhandling, no thrashing, no any circumcision, not at all. Talaka does not mean कि just throw her from the house and beat her and thrash, manhandling or dislike and dig the ground and fill the soil up to the neck of her and throw the stone on her head. This is called sansar. No, not at all such punishment has been mentioned in the Quran. Those who say that this is Al-Islam, they are liar. And most of the people, they have been supporting like this, believing and supporting like this punishment, which is not designed by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, and then curse implements on them. When the curse implements, it can be a different shape, depend upon the person to person, or individual or mass, or some particular group, like that. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa akhir da'wakum alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Never marry within second or first cousin, sister who is virgin. No, only if she is widow, then can marry. Because the arkan of Al-Hajj wal-Umrata, it is fulfilled by use of, if someone use the second cousin widow by marrying with her, this particularly amal is known as Al-Umrata. And Al-Hajjah completes by use of widow, lady who is out of blood relation. And the lady who was virgin and at the time of marriage she is known as general wife, and within the blood relation, that is second cousin, it is called sponsored wife, and the lady to whom he married who is widow out of blood relation, she is known as attached wife. And the uses of blood relation in the fertile land is different and desert land is different. Similarly, attached wives used in the desert land is different and fertile land is different, having the differentiation. So, people must know the laws of utilization of their spouses, either spouse, when his presence in fertile land and his presence in desert land, so that he can stay away with the violation that is called ithm. This may lead the disconnection with the Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. That is why 2 to 3 months course has been designed. Each one must have to attend this with the Muhammad by taking a prayer appointment by phone or by any media, Facebook or email or WhatsApp or Instagram, like that. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Akhir da'wakum. Alhamdulillah bil alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf.